If your dog has red, itchy, or runny eyes, your first instinct might be to try to get in with the veterinarian. But what if we can't get you in for a few days, or even a few weeks? Is there anything you can try at home? I'm the DIY vet, and we're going to talk about at-home treatment options for itchy, runny, or red eyes. This information is no substitute for in-person veterinary care.
So this is Diogi. She's my neighbor's dog, kind of. He found her by his farm out near Fairview. So a lot of dogs will get discharged from their eyes. She's had this going on ever since he found her, and that's been weeks ago. And it's just still going and going. Looking at the whites of her eyes, they're a little bit pink, but not too bad. The tissues around the inside of her eyes are a little bit swollen, but not too bad. And it looks like her eyes are kind of sunken in. Sometimes if your dog has runny eyes, itchy eyes, it may not be a bacterial infection, and while it is best to get into the veterinarian, sometimes you can't these days. There's just not enough of us out there to meet every single dog that's got itchy eyes. So there's some things you can try first. A couple of over-the-counter medications can be useful to try to help dogs with itchy eyes or even itchy skin. There's Benadryl and there's Zyrtec. Now, if you use one of these over-the-counter allergy medications, you got to make sure that it is not a medication that's in combination with another one. Things like Zyrtec D has a decongestant in it. That's dangerous for dogs. D for dangerous, D for death. Don't do Zyrtec D.
This is the dose for Benadryl. A 25-pound dog would get 1 tablet, a 50-pound dog would get 2 tablets, and so on. This is the dose for Zyrtec. An 11-pound dog would get 1 tablet, a 22-pound dog would get 2 tablets, and so on and so forth, every 12 hours for both medications.
You can also get eye wash, just the regular kind of eye wash that you'd find at the drugstore or the pharmacy, and you can wash out itchy eyes with that. Sometimes that'll help a lot, in addition to the over-the-counter allergy meds.
Some eye problems are more urgent than others. If you see white spots or scratches on the surface of your dog's eye, or if your dog is squinting one eye, or if the eyes appear to be of unequal size, you need to get into the veterinarian as soon as possible, because the sooner that these problems are treated, the better.
Oh, hi. What other kind of vet questions do you have? Let me know in the comments, and maybe we'll feature your question next.
And now a word from our sponsor.